Video 804, let's fucking go. Okay, so in the fractal bucket function section within the fractal bucket fill function, we haven't done any of the algorithm yet, right? We added this little thing, be patient, we'll get to it. This is our wrapping function that's going to use the fill function to create windows that are going to be inserted into cavities of geometry, right? We click into geometry cavity and we put a window there, right? So these are the tile size, layer, GTX, GTY, and then we have the color of our glass panel, and then the glass panel type right here. Let's go down and see what we've done. Okay, we have a little footnote here. You can do that on your own time. A function pointer for air, and then we have different blocking masks here. So this mask will detect any geometry on the geometry layer. This only detects the midground geometry, only detects background geometry, only detects foreground geometry, and this detects whether or not there is a glass panel on the bomb layer. So we take a pixel off of a respective layer, and we bitwise AND it with one of these masks to see if that geometry is actually there. So we want to know if there's impeding geometry in the way of our flood fill, and that's what these are for. Okay, we're going to make sure that when we take these individual submasks and we smash them all together with a bitwise OR, that they are going to be equal to this geo all here, right? So geo all should be equal to all of these smashed together. We're going to make sure that's the case, otherwise we'll throw an error. And then down here we have some more error checking just to make sure that everything is okay. And then right here, these are going to be our final masks that we're going to use for the individual layers. So we're only going to look for the midground geometry, and on the bomb layer we're only going to collide with glass panels because the glass panels can flood fill in front of the bombs, so we only want to collide with other glass panels when we're doing the flood fill, and we're not going to collide with the explosion tiles, the FATA tiles. We're going to do more code in another video because we have not yet derived buck U32 or buck wham, and then we're going to call the wrapping fractal bucket fill function here with all the correct parameters and then return void. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist right here. You are on the fast playlist, source code here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch and documenting every single line of code and open sourcing it. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine.